as adults of all ages are now eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. During today's City Council COVID-19 update, Amarillo Public Health Director Casey Stoughton shared the percentage of adults in Potter and Randall counties that have gotten at least one dose. KAMR Local 4's Ali Cassetti has a closer look at those numbers.
So around 30% of the adult population has been vaccinated here for the greater Potter Randall County area. So not specific to the city, but just, Potter and Randall counties, around 30% of the adult population.
According to Amarillo Public Health Director Casey Stoughton, more than 110,000 vaccines have been distributed by the Amarillo Public Health Department. That rough estimate includes 68,227 first doses and 42,342 second doses, for a grand total of 110,569 doses. Stoughton also spoke on the issue of whether or not there would be a shortage of vaccines in the near future.
I would love to run out of doses. If we could run out of doses and give everything that we had in our freezers and refrigerators, that would be a great day. But I'm not really concerned right now about running out of doses. The snowstorm gave us a little bit of a supply to last, and so I don't believe we're at risk especially this week, of running out of doses.
And as the City of Amarillo's walk-in vaccination clinic at the Civic Center now welcomes everyone 18 and older,
we did see a little bit of a bump in our numbers, and we're really glad about that. We certainly want to vaccinate lots and lots of people. We do have vaccines still available, so if you haven't been vaccinated, now's a great time to come see us.
Stoughton says while we're making great strides, the need for people to continue to get vaccinated remains.
We're all in this one together, so we have to all be vaccinated together to get out of it.
Additionally, during the city's COVID-19 update, BSA Chief Medical Officer Dr. Michael Lamentier says that there is more and more data about the efficacy and safety of the vaccines. However, he addressed that as for the concerns he's heard from multiple people now about infertility associated with the vaccine, that there is no data to support that is the case. Live in studio, Ali Cassetti, KAMR Local 4 News. Jackie.
Ali, thank you. Dr. Lamentier also asks the public to be careful about where they get their information, especially regarding potential side effects of the vaccine.